Hi, I'm Klaus.
Hi, I'm Robbie.
We both went vegan around 8 years ago.
At the time, veganism was a fringe movement, which later prompted us to set up Plant-Based News.
Since then, the movement's been breaking growth and sales records all around the world.
And we are truly humbled by the growth that we've experienced on this platform.
What many people may not realise is that Plant-Based News is actually powered by an internal design agency.
Which is how all the magic happens.
And here's the show reel.
Bow down and keep on praising me. Ready to watch? Here I go. I got your hands clapping, I got you watching this. Give me a call. You ain't seen nothing quite like this. Ready to watch? I'm lit, don't mess with me now. Keep working it and owning it. Yeah, work it, move it, show it off. This is how we do it. Get ready, cause here I go. Give me that standing low. Give me your praise. Y'all ready for the best you've ever seen? Bow down and keep on praising me. Give me the royal jewels and get down on your knees. Keep praising me. That crown belongs to me. Make way, here comes the all eyes on me. I'm just doing what I do, yeah. I'm a winner and I never lose, yeah. Work it, own it, move it. Woo. This is how I do it. Woo. I'ma do my thing. I'ma be me. I got all eyes watching me.
We've come a really long way, and we wouldn't be here without you.
And so for the first time ever, we want you to be part of this journey.
With your support to reach our fundraising target, we're going to do 5 things.
Number 1, continue to grow our platform.
Number 2, develop an exciting vegan influencer database.
Number 3, expand our creative team so we can offer a world-class digital service.
Number 4, help more mission-aligned brands, charities, and of course, social campaigns.
And number 5, pitch to Netflix with the view to publish a co-branded series on the platform before 2023.
We genuinely believe we can see an end to animal agriculture in our lifetime.
To achieve this though, more people need to make the switch to a plant-based diet.
But for this to happen, information and education is essential, and that's where Plant-Based News and you come in.
Our vision is to see a world where humanity lives in harmony with nature, and we need to seize this opportunity because time is running out.
By getting involved in this fundraise, you're going to help make this a reality. Let's change the world together.
Thank you so much.